146,171, USD riding the wave of Middle East ceasefire and Aussie surge. Weekly trading performance June 23, 27. Total PL 146,171 USD. Key trades long Aussie, short crude oil. The week began with heightened Middle East tensions, triggering a risk-off sentiment. However, reports of a ceasefire between Israel and Iran quickly shifted market sentiment toward risk-on. Pre-positioned long trades in the Australian dollar and profit-taking on crude oil shorts paid off significantly, resulting in a strong profit for the week. Key risks going forward: possible renewed sanctions or airstrikes on Iran by President Trump. Market uncertainty over the July 9th deadline for reciprocal tariff suspension. Sudden geopolitical developments may disrupt markets again. Caution is warranted. Market review price action for the week of June 23rd. Currency pair summary. USD JPY spiked to the 148 level on US. Airstrikes dropped sharply to 143s on ceasefire. And Fed chair succession reports. EURUSD fell to the 1.145s on dollar strength. Rebounded to 1.174s on rate cut expectations. GBP USD reached post-2021 highs on easing geopolitical risk and U.S. rate cut hopes. CAD JPY rose on oil strength and trade headlines, but lost momentum with USD JPY pullback. AUD JPY rebounded on ceasefire news and strong equities. Recovered above 0.65 versus USD. Currency outlook week of June 30th. USD JPY US. Jobs data and ISM both manufacturing and services are critical for July rate cut expectations. Watch for comments from Fed officials and Powell's stance. Risk of renewed tariff announcements from Trump. Speculation on the next Fed chair could trigger dollar weakness. USD. ECB Annual Forum June 30 July South may spotlight stagflation concerns. Eurozone HICP and PPI need to justify bullish sentiment. Ongoing U.S. EU tariff disputes may keep the dollar in control. GBP JPY. Weak UK data strengthens the case for additional BOE rate cuts. Focus on employment, retail sales, and revised GDP. While dollar weakness may offer support, BOE dovishness caps upside. CAD JPY. Volatile oil prices, directional uncertainty. BOC on hold, but July rate cut back on radar. CPI trends, trade tensions, and U.S. tax headlines could drive price action. Audi JPY. Monthly CPI slowdown fuels rate cut expectations. Yet strong equities offers sentiment support. Watch retail sales, building permits, and trade data. USD could swing sharply based on U.S. tariff and budget news. Strategy notes. Key points to watch this week. USD JPY high volatility week ISM, NFP, and tariff news may drive big moves. EURUSD can Euro strength hold? Watch HICP and ECB tone. GBP JPY. If data continues to weaken, BOE rate cut bets will grow. CAD JPY direction tied to USD oil and Trump's rhetoric. AUD JPY tug of war between rate cut, pressure, and equity support could widen range. Closing note why fasting traders win. The common ground between dieting and FX. Were you disciplined with your trades this week? Did you overtrade or chase losses emotionally? Interestingly, this mirrors our eating habits. Recent studies show intermittent fasting, IF time restricted. Eating can be just as effective as traditional calorie restriction. 3 common winning principles in diet and trading. 1. Consistency is key. Both IF and FX reward those who stick to their rules. 2. Overeating, overtrading. Too much food wrecks your health. Too many trades wreck your account. 3. Sustainability over perfection. A good enough strategy you can follow long-term beats. A perfect one you abandon. Notably, IF tends to have a higher adherence rate. The same could apply to trading. No trades after midnight, max 3 entries per day. Limiting your trading time may reduce waste and keep emotions in check. As former President Trump once said, you don't have to quit ice cream, just cut back. Same goes for positions. It's not about stopping, it's about controlling. That's what winners do. Let's trade next week with the mindset of a fasting trader. Disciplined, selective, and focused.